Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about Leonardo brand new Flow State is amazing. Now as you can see right here, I am currently inside Leonardo AI. I have made several videos about this website, so please check them out, those really comprehensive and very awesome videos. So as best practice, before we get started, let's talk about the prices. If I click on upgrade right there, these are going to be the prices via yearly and monthly. Anyway, for the free trial, you're gonna get 150 fast tokens that resets daily. Now let's get started with this one. First is gonna be clicking on the image creation. Once you click on that one, you'll notice that you're gonna have two options now, starting from classic up to flow state. So classic is still gonna be the same thing as before. You can change different modes here, different models, and different contrasts. However, for this topic of the video, click on Flow State and you're gonna have so much thing going on here. Trust me guys, this is actually a game changer, which doesn't really use tokens, rather, it uses the daily limit. So during the launch promotion, free users can generate up to 150 images in Flow State. Afterwards, each image will cost 1 token to generate. So since this is still on the release or launch phase, let's check it out. So I have sample prompts on my notepad here. If you don't have any sample prompts, you can just go back on the home section, choose any images you like, for example, this awesome image right here. Click on the copy mode right there, go back on image creation, and under here, simply paste the prompt. Now you'll notice that there is not much going on here. Rather than the mode, which is basically flow state that doesn't have any other modes just for now, you can adjust the style, for example, the vibe, the lighting, the shot type, the color theme, and the image dimension, which is I'm gonna go for 16 by 9. And of course, I'm gonna enable a prompt enhance here to better improve my prompt. For the private mode, that's gonna be for the paid subscription. I know if I click on generate for now, you'll notice the power here, okay? I'm really excited for you guys to see this one. Notice I am already at 27% because it's really fun to do. And now it rose up to 32%. Because right now, each time I scroll down, there's gonna be an infinite loop of images. You heard me right, each time I scroll down, there would be a new feature, a new photos or images that's generated based again on this single prompt. I don't have to do anything, I just need to keep scrolling down and you'll see different shots of the images. I'm really limiting myself because I don't want to make waste up of that daily limit. Anyway, for now, let's talk about one of the images here. I'm gonna go with this one. You can change the style here. For example, you can click more like this. You'll notice that the vibe and color are here. You can upscale, save to library, or basically download the image from here. Without further hassle, you can download it on computer. Now speaking about that one, the one that has more images like this, you'll notice that there is gonna be an option here that's just like any other images. It's like a reference image. So if I click on this one, if I click on more like this, you'll notice that there are two now on this option right here. There's two options. And they're gonna copy that references as much as they can, moving forward on generating your images. If I click this one again, more like this, so I have 3 now, focusing on the prompt from earlier. Notice I did not type anything just yet. How powerful is that, right? So for this prompt, we copied it. Let's try our very own prompt here. I'm gonna apply this, I think I'm gonna go with this one. And then paste it right here. For the vibe, let's choose a different one. Okay, I'm gonna go the one that looks like realistic. Or is there something that says realistic here? I'm gonna go for stock photo. For the lighting, I'm gonna go for golden hour or film haze. What do you think, guys? I think I'm gonna go with this one, film haze. Shot type, I'm gonna go for elegant. And then for the color theme, I think this should be remain at 0. Or let's just have some fun here. I'm gonna go for cool tones to the right there. And basically, generate my prompt. Again, that is gonna be a prompt from Midjourney. So please check my Midjourney videos, they're gonna really be awesome. Click generate for that one. And as you can see, I did not do anything just yet. I just entered my prompt there, click generate, and there we have it. So every time I scroll down now, I'm gonna have so much images. This is actually really addicting. And we have reached the daily limit. And that's gonna be the flow state for you guys. If you really like it, I suggest going for the paid plan, which is this one. And basically that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.